A new smartphone fresh out of the box shouldn't make crackling noises during your phone calls, but that's what users of the new iPhone 8 and 8 Plus report, and they're customers of different mobile carriers. Apple has acknowledged the problem and promises that a fix for it is on the way. One of the users experiencing the static-like problem is an editor at The Verge, which might have helped to make the problem more visible. However, users in all of the places where people typically discuss Apple device problems, Apple's support forums, MacRumors, and Reddit, have showed up to discuss the issue. Here's what it sounds like, if you're curious. "We are aware of the issue, which is affecting customers in a small number of cases," a spokesperson for Apple told The Verge. "Our team is at work on a fix, which will be included in an upcoming software release." That implies that the problem is a software one, but specific to the iPhone 8. iOS 11.0.1, a new version of Apple's mobile and tablet operating system, reportedly contains bug fixes and has been rolling out to users over the last day. It does not include a fix for the crackling earpiece issue.